Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I want to read something to you that is a very big deal. It turns out that the CEO of IBM literally just said that they're going to replace 7,800 jobs with artificial intelligence. This is a very big deal. The CEO, whose name is Arvind Krishna, he said the company could literally get rid of an estimated 7,800 jobs, particularly things that are back office sorts of tasks that anybody could do, that a robot could do. Now, according to IBM, the spokesperson Adam Pratt says that they're not doing a blanket hiring pause, but quote, we're being very selective when filling jobs that don't directly touch our clients or technology. So they said as artificial intelligence becomes eerily lifelike and gives rise to chatbots that can draft letters, write computer code, or create songs, experts have warned about its ability to put people out of jobs. A Goldman Sachs report in late March said generative AI could significantly disrupt the global economy and subject 300 million jobs, particularly white collar jobs. This isn't so. We're not talking about manual labor. We're talking about people that went to college that work with your brain. AI has a better brain than you, and that's the tough part. And AI can be more creative than you. So this is really interesting. Krishna's statements are an early indication of how widespread generative AI's impact could be inside corporations. Chegg, an online learning company, also said on Monday night that the viral chatbot ChatGPT is affecting its customer growth, causing its stock price to tank. While AI is likely to impact the workforce, economic analysts also caution that it's still too early to see how disruptive it will be. So basically, the world is changing. They said in recent months, the general public has been dazzled by the capabilities of generative artificial intelligence, including software that creates text, images, and video based on data that it is fed. OpenAI's ChatGPT has penned heartfelt poems. Image makers such as Midjourney have created pictures, convincing people that the Pope wears Balenciaga. The rapper Drake's voice has been cloned to create a song that he did not sing. So AI is big. AI is changing everything. It's not going to go away. One thing I would suggest is that if you are an investor, which I hope everybody is, you start investing in the companies that are going to benefit from the AI. On BoyceWatkins.com, I have a list of stocks that I'm buying into that are going to profit from this AI boom. When they start cutting those jobs and the profits go up, these stock prices should go up with it. Feel free to go to BoyceWatkins.com and take a look. And also, don't forget, May 19th, I'll be in Dallas doing a 2-day Black Wealth training camp. It's extremely important that we understand how these economic dynamics work. My doctorate's in finance. Hopefully, I won't be replaced by a robot one day, but you never know. But either way, until that time, until they invent an AI that really talks specifically about Black wealth, I'll be here for you to support you. And my new book is called The 10 Commandments of Black Economic Power. So feel free to go take a look at the book on Amazon. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Have a great day. God bless you, and thanks for listening. See you soon. Peace.